we're continuing on financial mathematics, and the next topic that we're going to look at is higher purchase. So, higher purchase and labor. So, higher purchase is the process of getting an item now and paying later. So, let's say you want to buy a television set and you do not have the amount that is required. So, usually, let's say a television set, it's going for $250, and the person selling the TV has marked this as the price of the television set, and you do not have the initial cash payment. And you might choose to buy using hire purchase, where you get the item and you pay a deposit. You pay a deposit. Usually, a deposit is quoted as a percentage. Maybe a deposit will be 30% of the quoted price. Then you pay a deposit 30% of the quoted price, which means after paying a deposit, you're going to pay the remaining. The remaining is installments. You're going to pay the remaining as installments, maybe for 24 months. You're going to pay a fixed amount for 24 months or 12 months, depending on the seller. The difference between hire purchase and labor is that on hire purchase, you begin to use the item before you finish paying for it. But on labor, you begin to pay the installments. Then once the installments are finished, that's when you begin to use the item. So hire purchase is calculated as deposit plus monthly installments. Usually the installments plus deposit will result in a higher price. They will result in a higher price than the cash price. Sellers usually do this in order to hedge for inflation, or they do this in order to hedge for currency discrepancies. That's why the higher purchase price usually is higher than the cash price. So questions will ask you to calculate the difference between the higher purchase price and the cash price. So meet in the next lesson where we are going to talk about commission.